How to get 20% off Frontier Airlines coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're going to find the search box, type in Frontier Airlines coupon code and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, couponfollow.com. This is the legit website where you're going to find amazing offers and deals for Frontier Airlines. Once you're on the website, just scroll down and check out the offers. 75% off, 20% off, 90% off, and many more. Head towards the offer that you want to grab, just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're going to get the code for it. Make sure to check the expiration date of the code, whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, you can copy it, then click on redeem at Frontier Airlines. You will be directed to the official website of it. Once you're on the website, you can go ahead and log into your account, book your stays or flights, and proceed to checkout. While you are in the checkout page, you're going to find the section of codes. Over there, type in your code and confirm it. With that, you're going to get the discount. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as in this website, you're going to find amazing offers and deals for Frontier Airlines. To grab any of the offer, you have to use same exact steps. Lastly, you can head over to this website section. You can also give a try to this one website. In this website as well, you're going to find amazing offers and deals for Frontier Airlines. So this way you can easily get up to 20% off working coupon code for Frontier Airlines. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.